Now with Storm Team meteorologist Michael Haynes. It's a big weekend, Michael. Possibly one of the biggest weekends. We've got Labor Day and the start of our local football season.
That's right, Chloe, and an unsettled weekend. And by the way, I have an answer for the question we were talking about during the break about lightning in football games. Apparently, it's within 30 minutes of an 8-mile radius, and each time a lightning strikes within 8 miles of a football stadium, that will restart the clock at 0 and have to go all the way to 30 minutes. So that could very well be the case today with this stormy pattern that we're dealing with across central Alabama. But here's a live view from Tuscaloosa. Bryant-Denny Stadium all lit up with those LED lights there in the background. A beautiful sight on this game day Saturday in Alabama. The temperature warm and muggy as you would expect to start the football season in the middle 70s. 76 in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham 74, East Alabama in the lower 70s, Anniston back up to Gadsden. But unfortunately, we have a disturbance back out to the west of us that will trigger scattered to numerous thunderstorms, especially over the second half of the day, that will continue throughout this Labor Day weekend. So periods of rain and thunderstorms, some heavy rain possible at times, but if there's a little bit of positive news, it's that we're not expecting a washout. That includes JSU today taking on at Davidson there at Burgess Snow Stadium on the campus at Jacksonville State University. The temperature's holding in the 80s with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Miles College, Alabama State will play this afternoon at 5 o'clock, starting out in the middle 80s once again. A hit and miss thunderstorms. Auburn in Lee County later on today at 6 o'clock against Mercer in the middle 70s by around halftime. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms decreasing. That also includes West Alabama, Tuscaloosa at Bryant-Denny Stadium. So just have the rain gear on hand, ready to go for these football games. Now we have two different tropical systems that we're monitoring. Tropical Storm Earl that will turn well up to the north and the northeast well before reaching the east coast of the U.S. Also, what was Hurricane Danielle, the first hurricane of the Atlantic season, will continue to turn off to the north. This is what we call a fish storm, meaning it will not impact a soul, so it will just remain well off in here into the Atlantic. But it's just a reminder that we're still in hurricane season and still a long way to go. Chloe.